So these are another section of raised beds. I have potatoes growing in here, and there's a potato flower. And a squash. So I planted squash and corn together with the hope that, in the hope that the squash would grow up the corn. It's not exactly doing that. But I've got this hog wire here that I like to attach things to. Little tomatoes, they kind of got a late start. I mean, not a late start really, it's just that I transplanted them just a few days ago. They should have been in the ground a long time ago. This one got a better start, it was in the ground longer. My okra is finally picking up a little bit here. I don't know, that was slow to start this year. Oh, this is my wacky weed wonder here. It's just so hard to weed. I do not like growing asparagus down at ground level. I've got to do something else with this because weeds are so hard to keep out of asparagus because, well, it's just hard to grab the weed without grabbing the asparagus. I've got an Panthes here. There's a peach tree that broke in the wind, so I kind of tied the branch up a little bit. And I don't know if you can see it, but that's a little goji berry poking out of there. So that's my second in-ground garden.